Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do palak gravy. I mean spinach gravy. I have bought one packet of baby spinach and it's boiling here. I'm blanching it, and I have prepared and pressure cooked some lentils, yellow lentils, dal, and I have chopped one medium onion and one medium size tomato. Let's get to the process. I am filtering it. Let the water drain. And I am going to check the lentils. The pressure has come down like completely. The lentils are cooked. Now I am going to add turmeric in this. And keep it aside. Now place a pan and keep it in a low flame. Let the water evaporate. In this, now I am going to add oil and do some tadka. Tadka means tampering or seasoning. Now I'm going to add oil. I'm adding sesame oil. It gives a good flavor. About a tablespoon of oil. Reduce the heat. Add mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Let's wait. You can hear the crackling sound. Add red chilies. I'm adding two red chilies, and now add onion. Saute it. Increase the flame. Just saute it until it translucent. Here in between I am going to give a small tip. If you are in a very urgent time, if you are in a hurry and you don't have time until it gets sauté off, you can always add a pinch of salt so that the onions get cooked very faster than the normal period. Little bit, less, just for a name, just for name's sake, you can put a little pinch of salt in onion. And when you add tomatoes, you can add another pinch of salt so that the tomatoes can be softened within a second. Let me show you. I am going to add a pinch of salt. Just a bit. And now saute the onions. Reduce the heat. Now you can see the onions are soft. See? Yeah, soft. It's get poked, right? It gets poked, right? So they are soft. I am keeping the flame to medium low to have the constant heat. Now I am going to add some curry leaves. It's completely optional since you are adding green leaves here. I mean the leafy vegetable. If you want, you can add curry leaves. Otherwise, you can skip it out. Just a little bit of curry leaves. See, now the onions are shining and transparent little bit. In this stage, you can add the tomatoes. Saute it for 2 seconds. And again add little bit of salt. Same, a pinch of salt. Sorry. See, I got it little bit more, but I am adding only a little bit. That's it. Now itself the tomatoes are getting soft. Are you able to see? See, it's getting poked. See here. Right? I'm going to add little bit of water so that it doesn't get burnt. That's it. Completely lower the flame and close it. Let the raw smell completely erode. Now I'm going to check it out. See, tomatoes are soft. See, I'm going to poke it. See, you can see there it's soft, right? You can see it. Can you see it? See, it's soft. At this stage, I'm going to add the spinach or palak, which I have drained it out here. Keep the flame in medium, low. Mix it well. While boiling the spinach, I have added a little bit of salt. So ensure that while adding final salt to taste it before adding it, because sometimes these leafy vegetables have natural content of salt in them, in them. So better check it out before adding the final salt. Now I'm going to add the spices and tamarind paste. I'm going to add 2 small spoons of tamarind paste. 1 and 2. Add water a little bit. Mix it well. You can add water according to your liquidity, how much liquid you want. According to that you can add it. Let it boil for a minute. Before that, I am going to add little bit of sambar powder. I am using this brand of sambar powder, Shakti sambar powder. I am just adding a rough measure since it will be little bit spicy for non-Asians other than India. If you want a spicier version for this, you can add little bit of chili powder with this sambar powder. See, once the content is like this and get it and it mixed well, I am going to check it the taste and add salt according to it. It's tangy, little bit tangy. I'm going to add more sambar powder and salt in this because I hate tangy flavor. Salt. This much of salt, final salt for me. And I am using compounded asafoetida powder. This is the one, LG brand. You can buy whatever brand you want. There are catch. It's in India. It's called hing powder. You can add whatever flavor brand you want. This helps to digest. This asafoetida helps to digest. So once it get mixed well, I am going to add the dal or lentils. Completely reduce the flame so that it will splatter on your face. Now I am going to add the lentils. I have added little bit of water since it gets thick. I am adding the lentils. Mix it over. Wow, looking colorful. This portion has iron in spinach, proteins in lentils, onions, tomato is good for heart. So many items are there. Tamarind is a tamarind, and that asafoetida. Sorry for my pronunciation. These are all helpful in digestion process. See, this is the thick consistency. I want little bit watery, so I'm going to add water. If you want, you can leave it here itself. Otherwise, you can add little bit of water according to your consistency, according to your taste, everything. That's it. Now keep it in a simmer flame, I mean the low flame, and let it boil or cook for just 2 seconds or 2 minutes. Close the lid. Just cook it for 1 minute. Let it be. And one more thing, before adding the lentils, I have separated the lentils here. And this lentil is very good for infants below 1 year. They can eat it. From 6 months to 1 year infants, when you are trying to give solid food to your babies, you can have this. While boiling the lentils, add 1 clove of garlic and 2 to 3 pinches of cumin seeds, and boil it in the pressure cooker. And after that, add a little bit of salt and little water. Mix it well. I have added the turmeric powder also. Make it as watery as possible if you are not giving rice to your kids. Since my daughter likes this type of lentil eating with her hot steamed boiled rice, so I have kept it a little bit thicker paste. And if you are giving it to the infants, please make sure that the lentil is very watery at this stage. It must be very water, and you can feed them directly. Otherwise, you can mix it with the rice, boiled cooked rice, and you can give it to them. Smash the rice very finely and add this lentils in that. Mix it well and add clarified butter, a small teaspoon or 1 tablespoon according to your taste. If you are interested, you can add that clarified butter. Otherwise, never need. You can skip it. You can feed this. It will be very filling for them in the lunch. So try. In India, we used to give this to our kids once they starting to eat the solid foods. That is after 6 months. We are giving the solid foods to the kids. At that time, we used to give this. In India, it's one of the basic food for infants. Now let's check. See, it has cooked very well. I can smell the flavors of tamarind paste, spinach, asafoetida, that sambar masala. I can feel the smell. I can really smell. Hope you also smell this. Smell, 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 smell. Is your mouth watery? Then better try this recipe at your home. Now switch off the flame. Over. Please try this recipe at your home and give your response in the comment sections. Thank you. Bye bye.